Good morning to all of you. I am Ashwini Garg on behalf of Suraj School. Today I will discuss about the topic of Class 12 Business Studies Unit 6 Chapter 1st Staffing. Suraj School provide education best in the education field of the Mahendragarh, and Mahendragarh is known as the hub of the education. So today we will start our class. The topic is staffing. In previous class I already discussed about the human resource management concept. Today we will discuss about the staffing as a part of human resource management, as well as specialized duties and activities of human resource management. I already explained in our previous class human resource management. It refers to that branch of management in which we consider the recruitment, selection, compensation, development, as well as optimum utilization of the resources. Now, in human resource department, the HR manager perform various functions about the development of the human resource in the business organization. The various functions of the human resource manager is recruitment, etc., providing expert service, developing compensation and incentive plan, etc., as well as various part of the function of the staffing as a part of human resource management we will discuss now. The first part of the function of human resource management is recruitment. Recruitment, etc. Means the function of human resource management means HR manager is to estimate the requirement of human resource in the business organization. It is the function of the HR manager, human resource management, that firstly estimate how many vacant posts are in the business organization and how many human resources are required for the vacant post in the business organization. So with the help of recruitment, the HR manager perform this function and estimate the requirement of the human resource in the business organization. And after the estimation of the human resource in the business organization, he will select the employee with the help of the selection, and after the selection of the employee, provide training and development of the employee as well as compensation to the employee. So human resource manager perform a various function in the business organization in the form of recruitment, selection, training and development, compensation, etc. Now, second function of human resource manager is providing expert service. It is the second function of human resource manager to provide expert service. Means HR manager provide expert service in the business organization for the development of the employees as well as for the efficient utilization of the service of the employee. The HR manager provide expert service in the form that to make the evaluation of the job evaluation of the employee, performance appraisal, as well as negotiating with the trade union. All these functions to job evaluate means to evaluate the job in the business organization. Every type of the job, human resource, finance, marketing, HR will perform in the business organization in a smooth way or not. After that, the performance appraisal to measure the performance of the employees in the business organization on different posts, as well as negotiating the trade union means business organization में जो ट्रेड यूनियन है, आपके जो वर्कर्स है, उनका जो हेड है, उनसे नेगोशिएट करना, ये सब वर्क बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में कौन करता है? एचआर मैनेजर. तो मीन द सेकंड फंक्शन ऑफ ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट इज प्रोवाइडिंग एक्सपर्ट सर्विस. ये एक्सपर्ट की सर्विस प्रोवाइड करता है, क्योंकि इन सर्विस को प्रोवाइड करने के लिए स्पेशल नॉलेज और हमें स्पेशल स्किल की नीड है, और ये सारी स्पेशल नॉलेज और स्किल एक ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजर में होती है, और वो ये सारी सर्विस प्रोवाइड करेगा. नाउ द थर्ड फंक्शन इज डेवलपिंग compensation and incentive plan. It is the third function of the human resource manager to develop the compensation as well as incentive plan. Compensation means to provide fees, remuneration for their work, as well as incentive plan to provide extra benefit in the form of bonus to the various type of the employees in the business organization. तो आपका जो ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजर है, वो बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में जितने भी आपके टॉप लेवल मैनेजर है, उन सभी मैनेजर से कंसल्ट करता है कि किस तरीके से हम बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में कोई भी नई टेक्निक डेवलप करें, जिससे नई टेक्निक डेवलप करने से बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में एम्प्लॉयज की डेवलपमेंट तो हुई, बट साथ ही साथ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में एम्प्लॉयज को हम वेरियस टाइप के इंसेंटिव प्रोवाइड कर सके. तो आपका जो एचआर मैनेजर है, वो टाइम टू टाइम आपके बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में मैनेजर से एम्प्लॉयज की डेवलपमेंट के बारे में उनको हैप्पी रखने के लिए उनसे डिस्कशन करता है और नई टेक्निक डेवलप करता है, और इस तरह से नई टेक्निक डेवलप करता है जिससे बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में एम्प्लॉयज को फेयर रेमुनेशन, उन्हें कंपनसेशन मिल सके उनकी सर्विस के बदले, और साथ ही साथ वो नई टेक्निक के बेस पर कंपनी में एम्प्लॉयज को एक्स्ट्रा बेनिफिट प्रोवाइड करने के लिए इंसेंटिव प्लान भी बनाता है. इट इज द थर्ड फंक्शन ऑफ द ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजर. नाउ फोर्थ फंक्शन इज हैंडलिंग कंपनसेशन, हैंडलिंग ग्रीवेंसेस एंड कंप्लेन. In business organization, various type of the human resource perform their work in the business organization, as well as they are worker, employees, and various type of the manager in the business organization. Human resource manager perform their duty to satisfy every type of the employees, worker, manager in the business organization. So, if there are any type of the complaints, suggestions, the HR manager solve every type of the complaint and suggestion in an effective way, in a better way, so that he can develop a better human relation in the business organization. Means that in business organization, two type of the party will perform their task, employer as well as employees. Human resource manager settle all type of the complaint and grievances and establish better human relation between the employer and the employee. So human resource manager perform a very important task to decrease, to remove every type of the dispute and establish a better human relation in the business organization. It help us for the development of the business organization. It is the fourth function of the human resource manager. Now fifth function is providing social security and welfare of the employees. It is the fifth function of human resource manager because the HR manager provide the various type of the service as well as social security to the employees as well provide service to the welfare of the employee. In business organization, HR manager develop various type of the policy like as the recruitment policy, selection policy, training and development policy, transfer policy, promotion policy, etc. A human resource manager develop various type of the policy in the business organization to provide the various type of the facility and to work for the welfare of the employee. The human resource manager provide the transfer facility to the employee to transfer from one department to another department, as well as promotion policy to promote a particular person from down level to up level. So HR manager provide a social security as well as the welfare of the employees. In the same way, the human resource manager provide a gratuity facility as well as the provident fund. Provident fund facility to the employees. After the retirement, they will get a lump sum amount for his remaining life. So HR manager perform a very important function toward the development of the employees as well as the satisfaction of the employees in the business organization. Now the sixth function of the human resource manager is that defending the company from lawsuit. Defending the company from lawsuit. There are various type of the legal provision which are provided for the employees under the Factory Act 1948. Means various type of the legal provision provided for the development of the employee under the Factory Act 1948 as well as the various type of the legal provision provide workmen compensation fund under the Workmen Compensation Act 1923 as well as Employees State Insurance Act 1948. Means that in business organization various type of the legal provision with the help of which we can fulfill our legal requirement which we can fulfill and save ourselves from the lawsuit. The HR manager use such type of the legal provision for the development of the employees as well as to use the all the legal provision and enforce such type of the provision in the business organization effectively, so that HR manager perform a very important task to save the company from various type of the lawsuit, like if we do not provide better remuneration and do not provide compensation to the employees according to the Workmen Compensation Act, then a lawsuit will be filed on us. So the HR manager perform an important task to defending the company from the lawsuit to provide and enforce all the legal provision in the business effectively. Now, seventh one is keeping personal record. In business organization, human resource manager keep the personal record of all the employees in the business organization as well as the record of the recruitment policy, the record of the selection policy, the record of the promotion and transfer policy. With the help of these policy, the HR manager keep record of every type of the employee which are promoted from down level to up level, as well as transfer of the employees from one department, one branch to other branch, and to keep record all type of the policy, all type of the services for the future reference. मीन्स आपके फ्यूचर में हमें सारा रिकॉर्ड मैच करना पड़ता है कि किस एम्प्लॉयज को प्रमोट किया गया, किसको ट्रांसफर किया गया, किस डिपार्टमेंट में किस एम्प्लॉयज को डिमोट किया गया. एवरी टाइप ऑफ द इंफॉर्मेशन विल बी केप्ट बाय द पर्सनल मैनेजर एज अ पर्सनल रिकॉर्ड. सो इट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ द ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजर दैट कीपिंग पर्सनल रिकॉर्ड. नाउ द लास्ट फंक्शन ऑफ ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजर, डेवलपिंग द organizational structure. It is the last function of the human resource manager that developing the organizational structure. The human resource manager timely reviews the organizational structure. Means आपका जो HR मैनेजर है वो टाइम टू टाइम बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के स्ट्रक्चर को चेक करता है, उसको देखता है कि उसमें कहीं कोई कमी तो नहीं है, एंड प्रोवाइड सजेशन टू मेक इट मोर इफेक्टिव ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर. मीन्स आपका जो ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजर है वो बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के स्ट्रक्चर को टाइम टू टाइम रिव्यू करेगा, चेक करेगा, और अपनी तरफ से उसे लगता है तो वो बेटर सजेशन प्रोवाइड करता है कि आपके ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर को किस तरह से हम इफेक्टिव बना सकते हैं. सो today we discussed about the function of the human resource manager, providing expert service, recruitment, developing compensation and incentive plan, providing social security and welfare of the employees, as well as the keeping personal record and developing the organization structure. I hope it's clear to you. Today our class is over. Thank you. Have a nice day.